Hey there, today we're going to look at how to fix ManyChat comment reply error. So let's get started. First, log into your ManyChat account. After that, go to the automation section. Then locate the automation where the comment reply error is happening. Over here, check the first message and make sure the send as comment reply option is selected. Then double check your trigger settings to confirm the automation runs when comments are left on your post or reel. After that, keep in mind Facebook has some limits, so delays or restrictions might cause reply issues. Next, verify your ManyChat row is set to primary. Then refresh your Facebook connection inside ManyChat. Also, check your Facebook comment notifications to confirm they're being received. And if it still doesn't work, reach out to ManyChat support for help. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.